My name is Sarah. I am 32 years old. I work at a big company. I am good at my job. My boss likes my work. My husband's name is Tom. We were married for 5 years. Tom had a good job. He earned more money than me. We were happy together. But something changed last month. My boss called me to her office. She smiled at me. She said I did great work. She said the company wanted to give me more money. She said I would get a raise. But there was one thing. I had to go on a business trip. I had to go to another city. I had to go to an important meeting. If the meeting went well, I would get the raise. I was so excited. I called Tom right away. I told him the news.
That's great,
He said. But his voice was strange. It didn't sound happy. What's wrong? I asked him.
Nothing.
He said.
I'm just tired.
That night, I made his favorite dinner. I was happy. I talked about the trip. I talked about the raise. Tom didn't say much. He just ate his food. He didn't look at me. Are you okay? I asked.
I'm fine.
He said. But he wasn't fine. I could feel it. The next day, Tom started to talk about the trip. He said maybe I shouldn't go. He said the trip was too far. I can do it, I said. My boss believes in me.
But who will cook dinner?
He asked. You can cook dinner. I said. Or, you can order food. It's just 3 days. He didn't like that answer. His face became red. But he didn't say anything more. Every day, he tried to stop me. He said the weather would be bad. He said the plane might be dangerous. I started to feel confused. Why didn't he want me to go? Why wasn't he happy for me? 2 days before the trip, we had a big fight.
I don't want you to go.
He said. His voice was loud. Why? I asked. This is important for my career. This is important for me,
You already have a job.
he said.
You don't need more money.
I looked at him. And then I understood something. He didn't want me to earn more than him. You only support me when I earn less than you. I said quietly.
That's not true.
He said. But his eyes told me it was true. I'm going on this trip, I said. And you can't stop me. He became very angry. He yelled at me. I yelled back. Then he left the house. He slammed the door. That was 2 days ago. We didn't talk after that fight. We didn't look at each other. The house felt cold and empty. The morning of my trip came. I woke up early. Tom was still in bed. He didn't say goodbye. He didn't even look at me. I felt sad. But I got dressed. I picked up my suitcase. I walked to the front door. And that's when I found out. The door was locked. My key was gone. I ran to the bedroom. Tom was not there. He left already. He went to work early. He locked me inside. He took my key. I tried to call him. He didn't answer. I called again and again. Nothing. I looked at my phone. My flight was in 2 hours. I needed to leave now. But I couldn't open the door. I started to cry. I felt so angry. How could he do this to me? I called my boss. I told her I couldn't come. I told her I was sick. I couldn't tell her the truth. I was too ashamed. She was disappointed. She said maybe next time. But I knew there wouldn't be a next time. I lost my chance. I lost my raise. I sat on the floor. I cried for a long time. Tom came home that evening. He opened the door. He saw me sitting there. My eyes were red from crying.
Sarah,
He said.
I'm sorry.
I looked at him. I didn't say anything.
I was wrong.
He said.
I was scared you would become more successful than me. I was scared you wouldn't need me anymore.
He sat down next to me. He tried to touch my hand. I moved away.
Please forgive me.
He said.
It won't happen again. I promise.
But I knew the truth now. He didn't want me to grow. He wanted me to stay small. He wanted to feel bigger than me. I can't do this anymore, I said.
What do you mean?
He asked. I'm leaving you, I said. His face went white.
No.
He said.
Please don't leave. I love you.
If you cared about me, you wouldn't lock me in our house, I said. I stood up. I went to our bedroom. I started to pack my clothes. He followed me. He kept saying sorry. But I didn't listen. I packed everything. I called my friend Lisa. She came to pick me up. Tom cried when I left. But I didn't look back. I stayed with Lisa for 2 weeks. Then I found my own small apartment. It wasn't big. It wasn't nice. But it was mine. I called a lawyer. I started the divorce process. Tom didn't want to sign the papers. He called me every day. He sent me flowers. He sent me messages. But I didn't go back. It's been 3 months now. The divorce is almost finished. I still work at the same company. I didn't get the raise. My friend Lisa asks me sometimes.
Are you sure you're doing the right thing?
My mother says.
Maybe you should give him another chance. Marriage is hard work.
Even I ask myself sometimes. Late at night. When I'm alone in my small apartment. Am I doing the right thing? He said sorry. He made a mistake. People make mistakes. Maybe I should forgive him. But then I think about the woman I want to be. Can I grow with a man who wants me to stay small? I don't know the answer. Maybe there is no right answer. All I know is this. When I wake up now, I check the door. It's always unlocked. I can leave whenever I want. And that feels like freedom. The end. What do you think? Is she doing the right thing? If you want to learn English through stories, subscribe to the channel. Lesson of the day. Raise. A raise is when your boss pays you more than before. Examples from the story. She said I would get a raise. If the meeting went well, I would get the raise. I still work at the same company. I didn't get the raise. More examples. My boss gave me a raise last month. He asked his boss for a raise.